Hi, my name is Tanuj Rajput and today I am going to present a tool or a service called Code Commit. So let's start the tutorial. First, you have to log in into Amazon free tier account. After login from the console home, you can select the Code Commit if it's there. Otherwise, you can just search on this search box, type Code Commit and you have to select this one. Click on it. Basically, code commit is used for continuous integration and continuous deployment, which is CI/CD. So it allows the developer and the operational team to work together. So what we will do, we will here click on to the code commit and click on the repository, or you can just click on the get started. Here from here also you can create a repository. So just click on the create repository. It can be any name. So we will just name it code commit demo. Write some description about it, although it's optional, so I'm leaving this box. Create on it. It will create the repository for code commit. So what we will do, you can directly upload multiple files from here or you can create a file. So we will create a file. First we will name the file name addition .txt. Here the code will be there, but for the demo person I'm just demo purpose I'm just creating a addition.txt. Then author name will be my name itself, and then you have to write the email address. Then their comment, we will write initial commit, commit. So in here I have already wrote a code which is basically a code of addition in C++ program. Here you can see that I have make a mistake at the 12 line. Instead of instead of the plus symbol, I am using the negation or the minus symbol. It's intentional mistake. I will tell you why I have put such a mistake over here. I will also change it here also, and then I will click on the commit changes. So you can see that in code commit demo, we have a file called addition.txt, and inside addition, we are writing the subtraction program. So it's a wrong program. Let's move on to the branches. Here we have only one branch called main branch, and inside main branch, we have our code. So what it does, main branch will act as a production component and or the production repository. And now we will create one more branch. We will go on to the repository, go on to the branch and create one more branch. This branch will be called development branch. Here the developer will work, and this branch will be from our main branch. So what it does, it copies all the code from the main branch to our development branch. We will do that on the create branch. You can see now we have two branches, main branch and development branch. And if we go inside the development branch, we can see that the same code is there also. So now as a developer, you found out the mistake that it's an addition program and there is a mistake on this minus symbol. And the main branch, which is our, okay, yeah. So the main branch, which is our main branch, is currently running on the production environment, which means it is live, and the program is doing generating a wrong output. So what, as a developer, what you will do, you will just go on to the development branch and change this product. Change the code to a proper code. You will write your name itself. Again, I will write mine. I will write the email address. And I will write the first commit because initial commit has been done. So yeah, first commit, and click on the commit changes. So when we click on the commit changes, the code will be committed, and as you can see the sign is changed. But if we go to our main branch, the code is yet not changed. If you can see, it's still minus. So what we wanted this our development code to be pushed into the main branch. So what we will do is we will create a pull request. Click on the pull request. Here we can see that there is no conflict, our code is mergeable. We will write what we have done. So we will write fix sign problem. And in description it's an optional, but it's a good practice to write. We write replace minus symbol by plus symbol. Yeah, so it's there. Now here we can see the changes, what changes is going to happen if we create a pull request. And then what we will do, we will create a pull request. So now this pull request will go to the admin, and then admin can see whether the code that you have wrote is proper and can be can be joined with our main branch, which is live. So for here I am only the one user, so I'm playing as an act of development a developer as well as the admin. So what I will do, I will just go to the pull request. Here I can see the pull request, all the information about pull request, what has been done, like fixed sign problem, who is the author root, where it's going to merge, that's the main, and what is the last activity, the status is open. And since I haven't approved this request, it says no approval rules. I mean the approval status is no. So we will click on this sign problem. Now what we can do is we can see the changes, what's going to happen in the code. We can write the comment if we wanted some update in this code, like we can see that this is wrong, or in any way we see this is wrong, we can ask the developer to do the update over here. He can see the comment and then perform whatever task we have assigned to him. But for the moment we have seen, we can see that it's proper. Now what we will do is we will click on the merge, which say that we have approved the request. We will go by the all the default method, but as you can see there is one more checkbox over here. It says delete source branch development after merging. So it's not a good practice to delete branches again and again, but for the moment, since this is just for the demo, we will keep it as default, and we will click on the merge pull request. So what it does, it merges our this development code, development branch code to the main branch code. And if we go to the code, or if we go to the repository, if we go to the code demo, and if we go to the branches, we can see that there is only one branch left. If we go to the main branch, and if we go to the addition code, we can see that it has been merged, and now our write code is on live. So in that way the continuous integration and continuous deployment will work. So all the code that has been deployed will be changes from the our production branch or our development branch and move to the production branch. So in that way the code commit will work. I hope you like the presentation and you understand the concept, and thank you.